Hello and welcome to the Balti Brothers YouTube channel. My name is Tareen. Today we are going to make masala eggs. So to start off with, I'm going to use around about 2 chef spoons of oil. I'm going to let the oil heat up. Once the oil is heated up, I've got 1 onion and it's diced. I'm going to add in around about 1 to half a teaspoon salt. I'm just going to cook the onions just until they're translucent, so approximately 3 to 4 minutes or until they're soft. So I'm going to add in my 1 tomato, and I'm also going to add in a couple of green chilies in this pan. I'm just going to let it cook for 2 minutes, just until the tomato has gone soft. So we are now going to add in our dry spices. I've got half a tablespoon of red chili powder, and I'm going to add in a pinch of turmeric powder. I'm going to cook the spice for at least a minute or 2. So I have got 4 eggs and I'm going to add them directly into the pan. And at this time I'm going to add in a handful of coriander. I'm just going to let it leave on the pan for at least a couple of seconds. I'm going to slowly start scrambling. I'm just going to turn the heat on to a little of a medium. Go around. So we have finished cooking the eggs and I'm going to plate it up for you guys now. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Peace and blessings. And make sure to like and subscribe, and hope to see you again. Thank you very much. Bye.